Alrighty, guys. So this is from our assignment today, and I'm going to do a couple of them with you, like maybe two, maybe three if you're lucky. So looking at this assignment here, it's going to be in three sections. The first section is all about being parallel or not. So when you're looking at these lines here, you're really going to want to find the slope, like count that rise run, okay? Don't just look at it, count that slope. Slope's got to be the same. So speaking of that, if we look at number 4 right here, number 4 says write the equation of a line that is parallel to the given line, which is y equals 6x minus 5, and contains the point negative 3 comma negative 14. So if they're giving me the point, I'm going to want to write it in point slope form. The slope has to be the same as this one because parallel means the same as. So when I write this out, we'll do y minus the y value, which is negative 14, so plus, equals slope, parenthesis, x minus negative 3, so really plus. But then all these answers are in y equals mx plus b, so I'm going to want to distribute and then get y by itself, so subtract that 14 on both sides. So then I have 6x plus 4. Now, one other quick one, like a little bit later on. So there's a couple of them like that. In the next section, it's perpendicular. So check those slopes. Make sure that they are opposite and reciprocal. And then we have one down here like this. So number 10, we have that we need to be perpendicular to y equals negative 1/3 x plus 8. And I have to go through the point 2 comma negative 6. So just like this last one, I'm going to put it in point slope form. So y minus the y value, so really plus 6, equals, now my slope, because it's perpendicular, has to be the opposite reciprocal of that. So opposite will make it positive, and when I flip 1/3, it becomes 3. So my slope has to be 3, parenthesis x minus x, which is 2. And then just like on the last one, we got to distribute and get y alone. So we'll have 3x minus 6, and then I'll subtract 6 both sides. So y equals 3x minus 12. Now, guys, if you're a little bit confused about those two still, we're going to practice that a whole ton when I see you in person. The last section is something that we did together, though. So when I saw you on Monday or Tuesday, we did do one like these last few here. So number 13, though, just as a reminder, if I want to know if the lines are parallel or perpendicular, I need to know about their slopes. So this first one, I can't see the slope yet. The second one, though, I can. The slope is 3 because it's in y equals mx plus b. So on this one, if you remember, I had to get y all by itself. So I subtracted the 6x both sides. And then, minus 10, had to divide by the number on y. And so we have y equals 3x plus 5. And so now I can see my slope. And these two slopes are the same. And they have different y-intercepts. So that makes them parallel. Hope that helps.